I am drowning in boxes, so I thought I would do a PR haul with you guys. Okay, first up we have a giant bag from Drunk Elephant. Comes with a little pouch. This will be really handy for the beach. This is super cute. Okay, they sent the Bora Barrier Repair Cream and the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. Love it. Next package is from my loves at NYX. I absolutely love this brand. And we've got the new collection with Jillian Harris. Look at this cute bra. This is adorable, and it's a pullover style. It's wireless too. We also have these cutie pajamas. I love this. Oh my goodness. Ah! And we have a sleep shirt and matching pants. Adore. Love this thing. Ooh! And we've got some underoos. These are the leak proof. I love NYX so much. If you haven't tried their leak proof underwear, what are you waiting for? Okay, so this brand Kosas? I'm so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this, but they keep sending me the loveliest stuff. They sent all of these lip products. So we have liners, lipsticks, what looks like liquid lipsticks, and look at this packaging. I adore. I love it. Thank you so much. What is this? They also sent their plump and juicy like lip collagen stuff. I'm excited to try this. Next up, Hailey Bieber herself sent me a package. Ooh. This is fab. It's a big cosmetics bag. Let's see what's in this. All right, so we have the ceramide beta glucan hyaluronic acid with zinc and copper. We have the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. I love this stuff. It's a super solid moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin. Oh, they also sent their Pineapple Refresh Cleanser. This is a really solid product in their line. And their Peptide Glazing Fluid. This contains niacinamide, so if you have problems with acne, hyperpigmentation, oily skin, try this out. But my favorite product by Rhode is their Glazing Fluid. It's like a thick milky toner. It is so fantastic. It's loaded with ceramides. Just gives you great looking skin. Oh, oops. They actually sent a bottle of that. So thank you so much, Rhode. I guess it fell out of my bag. Look who's popping in to say hello. You're a good boy. Poor little thing. He wants to go out in the backyard and say hi to the guys, but you just hump their legs constantly, don't you? All right, what's in the big blue box? Let's see here. All of these products by Relevant. This isn't a brand that I'm familiar with. So they sent 3 shades of their Soft Focus Reliblur foundation. A gorgeous makeup brush. I hoard these things. They sent 3 of their Relawand foundation sticks and their One and Done cream. All right, so I'm gonna unbox one of the foundations with you. Look at this. Ooh. Let's see if they got my color right. Oh, it's a powder foundation, it looks like. So no. This is number 2. Let's see here. No. And this is number 3. No. All right, so these are going into the donation pile. I donate a lot to a women's shelter here in the city. For the foundation sticks, Relevant also sent 3 shades of beige. That won't do anything for me, so these will get donated as well. That's sad. Oh well. Next. Okay. Ooh, Caudalie. And I love these little info cards that they send because you can plant them in your garden and they will grow wildflowers. So Caudalie sent their Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Enhancing Micro Peel and the matching Radiant Serum. I love Caudalie, and I admit I do not give this brand enough love. I use it a lot. It's super effective. The ingredients are wild. Moving right along. This is my favorite thing in the world. Okay, we have a package from Marc Anthony. I'm going to gripe for a bit. This, I hate it. It gets all over my house and I have to vacuum every time I do an unboxing. First world problems that matter. So Marc Anthony sent their Style Fix 2-in-1 dry shampoo and their Style Flex 2-in-1 texture spray. Thank you, Marc Anthony. I'm really sorry for the noise. I hope you can't hear that stone saw out there. All right, so this is from my friend's Lab Luxury Resale. Okay, let's see what Lauren sent. So Lab Luxury Resale is an amazing luxury reseller. You can buy anything from designer clothes to designer makeup and skin. Hermes nail polishes. I am one step closer to getting my dream orange Birkin. Oh my gosh. Lauren, thank you. These are amazing. Can we talk about this packaging? Okay, Hermes. And this couldn't come at a better time because my toes need to be done. My God, these really made my day. Next package is from Paula's Choice. I hate when influencers do this. Let's slice and dice. Okay, let's see what my friends at Paula's Choice sent. Got a little bit of a haul here. Okay, so we have Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Moisturizer. 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. If you're not using chemical exfoliants on your skin, please start. They are so effective. We also got Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. And we've got this moisturizer here. This is the Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. And we have the Triple Active Total Repair Serum. Love it. What a score. I love Paula's Choice. Okay, we have some more stuff from I'm gonna just go with Kosas, okay? Because Kosas seems ridiculous. All right, let's see what we have here. Ooh, that's cute. And these are BB Burst Triple Gel Creams. I think this one will be really good. This is 35. They also sent these two shades. Let's see how these work. I don't have much luck with BB creams. I just find a lot of them ashy. A lot of brands don't have a great color range, but I think this might work. I'll try them out. Do you want to see a review on these? Let me know. Glossier. Ah, my PR tower is falling. I love Glossier. I had a chance to visit their stores in LA and Miami, and they're like interior design wonders. They're so beautiful. Ooh, Glossier does the best little makeup bags. Look at this. That is so cute. I would totally wear this. I would totally use this. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, so it comes with 2 of the Glossier U Rollerball perfumes. I love Glossier U. It's one of my favorite perfumes of all time. It truly is one of those perfumes where you wear it and people chase you down the street. It's like if you want to wear a perfume that a man loves, get Glossier U. There you go. I'm so sorry, it's so noisy here in the suburbs. It's literally like you hear nothing but weed whackers and lawnmowers and the sounds of the suburbs, the sounds of my people. Look, they even give you a dust bag. Oh my God, love it, Glossier, thank you. We have another package from Caudalie. It's a sweatshirt, that's nice. French girl, oui oui. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm actually bilingual. I do speak French. Alors, Caudalie, merci. Ça c'est tellement fantastique. Je suis très très heureuse avec mon petit cadeau. We have a package from Vichy. This is actually from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. I love you guys. Yes, we have, let's see here. CeraVe facial lotion, their ultralight moisturizing lotion, and this is SPF 30. They're both SPF 30. We've got La Roche-Posay Anthelios 60. Here goes Reese again. They're Anthelios 50. The Vichy Capital Soleil. This is SPF 50. SPF 60, sorry, that's heavy duty. I love this stuff. If I'm like running, cycling, I will use that. It's fragrance free as well. This is the Capital Soleil for face. This is a matte version. Like maybe I can use that. Thank you, Amazon, Vichy, and CeraVe. This is so generous. Oh my gosh. I'm sunscreen rich. All right, let's see what else we have here. We have a package from Mugler. Guys, I went and saw a Mugler exhibit in Montreal. It was, it was incredible. It was like all of the like amazing costumes in George Michael's Too Funky video. I don't know if you guys remember that. I'll find a picture and see if I can put it up, but absolutely incredible. All right, so Mugler sent their latest Alien perfume. I don't know if it's the latest. Oh, it's Hypersense. Alien is a super polarizing perfume. You either love it or hate it. I really like it. To me, it smells like vanilla with like Concord grape juice. I love it. It smells like, you know, a sexy French woman. Thank you, Mugler. We have this gorgeous bag that came in from Nudesticks. I love this. This is gonna come out handy because I've got some trips coming up and I'm super excited. All right, let's see what Nudesticks sent here. This is like Christmas morning. I love this. Okay, we have, this is amazing. This is the Nude Body Peptide Cream. It is super thick and rich and lovely. I blast through this stuff and it smells really elevated. It smells very sort of like herbally and botanical. Look at that. If you're like me and you love dewy, healthy looking skin, get this stuff. Oh God, I just did the influencer thing. It is so moisturizing and it's so glowy. I'm gonna do a video on my favorite glowy body lotions because summer is coming and we wanna look glowy and dewy and fabulous. I don't know if you can see that, but you put this on your body and your body will look dewy like my face. The inside of this bag is really great as well. Look at that. So that actually lifts up and we have more nude body stuff. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. So we have in here, oh my gosh, travel skincare bottles. So this one, can you see that? That's body cream. Look at how cute that is. Body toner and body wash. This is awesome. But I love these. I'm a sucker for these. I'm always traveling and these are gonna be so handy. So we have the Nude Body Exfoliating Butter Wash. Love it. Resurfacing Body Toner. So this stuff's really interesting. If you have like folliculitis on the backs of your arms, a lot of people suffer with that. Again, I'm gonna hammer this home. I used to be an esthetician, so I used to see that a lot. And people would come in wanting to know how to get rid of it. If you got a lot of little bumps on the backs of your arm, use an exfoliating product. So a chemical exfoliator I think would be good. And then you moisturize and you keep on top of it. Anyways, Nudesticks, thank you for this. All right, what's in the brown box? Okay, this big brown box is from Gold Bond. Don't sleep on Gold Bond. It is amazing. They have a, I think it's like a pro retinol body moisturizer that's excellent. Their hand creams are excellent. Oops, they actually sent this for Mother's Day. It is their Age Renew Crepe Corrector Body Lotion. So they sent two, so I'm gonna give one to my mom. Thank you, Gold Bond. This is so nice. They're inexpensive and they work really well, so don't sleep on that. Oh my God, I almost threw that Gold Bond box away. This is why I hate that crinkly stuff in the boxes because I can never quite see what's in there, but a disposable camera, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, Gold Bond, that's really lovely. Thank you so much. Next up we have Bobbi Brown. I'm a monster Bobbi Brown fan. Like way back in the day when I used to work in luxury retail, I would save my pennies to buy Bobbi Brown, and now Bobbi Brown knows who I am. All right, Bobbi Brown sent their vitamin enriched smoothing serum. Let's see how this looks. I swear, Bobbi's packaging is just beautiful. Excited to give that a try. Thank you so much. Got some nondescript box here. Ooh, it's from Lottie London. I love this brand. So you can find this brand at Walmart. And for the price, the products are amazing. Amazing. I swear they're lip products. They have this lip plumper that's fantastic. Okay, so we've got their Sweet Blush, Oil Slick Lip Balm, ooh, brow gel. I need some of that. And their Lottie Freckle Tint. Oh my God, I want freckles. Don't sleep on this Oil Slick stuff. It is one of my favorite lip oils, and lip oils aren't really my jam because I find like they just don't stay, but this one does, and it's shiny and lovely and fantastic. This I am gonna throw in the pile for my sister-in-law because that's just too light. Let's try some freckles, okay? I need my glasses for this. Oh God. Let's see if I can wipe that off. You know what? I'm gonna get a mirror because I can't see what I'm doing. Aging is a gift. Oh my God, this is so cute. I need more. Oh my God, you know what? I have these little like Morgan Freeman freckles on my, like under my eyes. So I'm just dotting them on where they are. That's kind of cute. Oh my God, I'm not good at this. That went on like a straight line. Okay, I'm not doing the greatest job. And I'm putting them on my nose. I have like actual freckles on my nose. I didn't do the greatest job, but I am going to keep this because I love that idea. Let's get rid of that huge one, okay. And I saw a girl kind of like, she did it like underpainting, right? So she put them on and then put like a little powder foundation over it. I don't think that's too bad. I think that's super cute. Look at me, little 46-year-old freckled girl. All right, continuing on. We have a package from Lanza Hair Care. They've got their Neem Plant Detangling Primer. What's a hair primer? Ooh, it's a ton of stuff. Thank you. So we have their Healing Strength Manuka Honey Conditioner. This is the Neem Plant Primer. I need to find out what this is for. The White Tea Shampoo. White tea, that must smell really good. Yes, it does. And we have a little travel size of the Neem Plant Primer and the Healing Strength Plant Silk Serum Anti-Aging Hair Treatment Complex. This all looks fabulous. Thank you, Lanza. We have another package from Nudesticks. Let's see what we have here. We have all of their Nude Screen blush tints. This is blush with SPF 30 in it. Not quite too sure about these colors. I think only this one and this one will work for me. So these will go in the pile for my blonde sister-in-law. It'll be like Christmas for her. Reese. Reese, it's the same old delivery guy. All right, guys, check this out. Sorry, my light just fizzled out. Frickin' Amazon. Okay, so we have Biosance's Squalane Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. Love it. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I have got my work cut out for me today. Oh my gosh. All right, we have another package from Drunk Elephant. See what they've got here. Oh, cute. We've got their itty bitty midi committee. Okay, so we have their C Firma Fresh in here, TLC Framboost, and B Hydra. So all of these brighten, refine, and quench your skin. Thank you so much. Got a package from MAC Cosmetics. Lip liners, thank you. They sent Ruby Woo, thank you. I also love Cherry. These are all so good. They sent Auburn, Night Moth, Vino, Chestnut, yes, and Whirl. All of their like heavy hitters. Thank you so much. All right, my camera's gonna die, so I'm going to wrap this up, but I wanna get to this big boy. Let's see what's in this. This one's huge.
I love a huge package.
Ooh, oh my God. Puma #1, Puma #2, and some Super Guzz. Oh my gosh, brown shoes, thank you. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, screaming. Well, hello, amazing. What are these? These are Puma Easy Rider Vintage. I love, those are amazing. See what's in this one. Amazing. These are the Puma Palermos. Oh my gosh, this is like freaking Christmas. And we have, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Got the Platform Superga little runners. Oh my gosh, browns, thank you. All right, guys, my camera is officially gonna die, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Let me know if you want me to test out some of these products for you, drop whatever products you want me to feature more in the comments. I will link everything in the comments and the description box for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I'm on Instagram and TikTok and all those great platforms. Come find me. I love you guys. Until next time, see you in the next video.